I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Select Avada Forms as a trigger. Click on the Fetch button and go to your form page to submit it and fetch the Avada Forms. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to your integration site and here you can see that the Avada Forms fetched successfully. Change the data types of the email and phone number. Set action. Search and select Airtable. Give here personal access token. So please visit personal access token. Create a token. Give here the token name. Add scopes. Add a base. Create token. Copy the token. And paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select Base. Select Table. Map the respective fields. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next, finish and save it. Now visit your form page, fill it out, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the Airtable page. And you can see the data came successfully in the Airtable. Thanks for watching.